Look at the view here. Beautiful. Very different from the evening. It's kind of warm right now. And ta-da! My first time staying in one of these rooms, and it is my first time in this room, so we get to explore it together. See what the closet greets us with. Oh, maybe I could just put my bag here. Oh, the light turns on, and there's this cool luggage rack bench, maybe to put your shoes right there. Let's put our shoes right there. Why not? Ironing board, the basics, and that's what, oh shoot, check this bathroom out. Wow, you can't ignore this view right here. I don't know if you can see, but it's a beautiful view of downtown Miami Brickell, looking at the Bank of America building right there. And then this amazing bathtub. We got a bath bomb here, a raspberry beret. What is this? Of course, we got a little towel nook here. What is this? What this is, open it up. Oh, check that out. A vanity set. I think this might be a shower cap. And one toothbrush. And what is this? This is a nail file. Okay, that's a little excessive, this whole pouch just for those unnecessary things, but it's a cool pouch. I don't know if you get to take this home. Check out this water bottle. It's like squishy. It can like compress into your bag. This little hook thing there. Or filtered water, and of course a glass. Filtered water in the room. And then our beautiful sink here. Soap, body lotion. This is one of those toilets that have its own little compartment there, little stall, and then disappear. Ooh, sorry. Glad that didn't break. That would have been bad. And then the shower. Ooh, waterfall shower head. These tiles are super clean. They're just very shiny, so it makes it look clean. And then we have our wash, conditioner, and a handheld thing right there. Close that. That disappears, and that is our lovely bathroom. Entrance hallway. And as we turn around, we have beautiful bed. Looks very clean. This artwork behind the bed. Let's check this artwork out. It's like water? Yeah. And then the headboard's backlit, so it kind of has this cool lighting effect. The hallway has some cool lighting too. The lighting in here is like dim and dramatic. Oh, I was wondering what this handle was. Okay, check this out. That's a drawer. Open it. And it's like a cool compartment for your Nespresso. And then your Nespresso things here. Only 2? And then bottle openers, sugar, cups, glasses, and shelving. Alright, let's close that. That's pretty awesome. I'm looking for the lights. Okay, let's turn the lights up. Maybe this is, oh, that turned it off. Okay, let's press it again, turn it off, and then intensity all the way up. It's just still low dramatic lighting, okay. But that's fine, it looks cool. We got this booth area here, this seating booth. This looks soft. It is soft. Ooh, oh, that moves. Okay, this is a very soft seat. You could even, you can even sleep here. I wonder if this pulls out to sleep. That would be awesome. Okay. We got an armchair, pretty low armchair, a little table, the TV, and then the nightstands. We have some goodies here. What is this, chocolate? Oh, dark chocolate. And then this is a controller of all of the lights as well. Let's test it out. Table, let's click table. Off. Okay, I'm gonna press it again. Oh, all right, so that does work. Both sides, they have these cool little lamps right here that you could just pull out. And then it shines on your book. Some plugs. We got one USB and 2 regular plugs. Oh, check it out. There's a balcony. What? This is beautiful. All right, let's open this up. Check out how big this balcony is. I don't know if you could see. Let me walk to the other end. But I'll film during the day too. But this view is beautiful. There's a view of a basketball court and then all these buildings. The water. It might look grainy because it's muggy and raining out right now. Check this out. So that's where we came out from, and then around the corner we got another area here with this beach chair. I don't know if you can see it, but it's dark, but this balcony extends to the other side. Came out here, and then the other part that it extends to is right here. Beautiful. This does not open. There's no passageway here. One thing I forgot to show you is this area here. It's a pretty cool area to just put your stuff because it's a huge shelf. All of these are just empty drawers to put your clothes and stuff. This one right here is a safe. And then this one here is where the party is at because it is the mini bar. And it has all the goodies. We got the sodas, the beers, the wines, and the hard liquor. And it doesn't stop there because we have the snack drawer, which I really never touch unless there's something really good because, you know, it's like the basic nuts, Pringles, Snickers, M&M's. So I found out what this thing is. If you press down, these sheets come down. Pretty cool. Press that middle button. Of course it stops, but let's check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. I'm gonna try to find something to eat in the area, but I'm gonna show you this elevator right here. This is kind of what you see. Oh, this is kind of what you see in like Instagram and TikTok and stuff. They're iconic elevator lights. Pretty cool, I must say. A lot of pictures taken in here. Coming out onto the street. It's raining right now, but this is the EAST Hotel outside the lobby. We're gonna walk towards, if you turn this corner, there's like this huge mall, outdoor mall. Maybe I want to try this place, Henry's. They got 4 stars on Yelp. Across the street is the Apple store. Ooh, it's raining on me right now. Kind of drizzling. Let me show you the surrounding area though. Pretty cool. And then at EAST, they got these 2 places to eat, Kinto and Sugar. Turn this corner, let's go get some food. It's slippery out. I slipped on the streets, the shops. Hoping that in here we got some food or something. Check out these fish. They're like real fish in this pond right here. And these are the shops. This is what I was looking for. But right now I can't find any food in here. It's just all shops. Like I said, let's go up this escalator. This is a pretty new mall, and they're still adding stores to it too. And we are like in the center of Brickell. I think it's called this Brickell City Center. Oh, there's a putt shack, a mini golf place. Cool. I might go to this place. It's a Cuban place. I got a lot of pork stuff. And I got seating outside. So I landed in this place called Marabú. Sat me right next to the aircon, which is lovely. This is the view right here of the bar. And then they got some cool aesthetics up top. It's in the mall, so if you look up, there's like mall stuff. I got me some plate that has pork pieces. It says it's their signature plate. Basically, it's pork and a whole bunch of carbs. Pork, rice, yuca, and I think that's it. We'll see. For now, pretty cool vibes. They got a soccer game playing. And yeah, some Cuban jazz playing too. It's pretty awesome. And yeah, I can't wait for the food. I'm super hungry. I didn't eat anything all day. Just been on a plane. I got this interesting drink. Lemonade, strawberry, cucumber, lemonade, strawberry. Honestly, it just tastes like strawberry lemonade. It's a cool cup. It's for the vibes, I guess. Alright, I didn't know this pork comes on a barbecue thing with real charcoal. Pretty cool. We got the moro rice, boiled yuca, and then we also got some fried yuca. This is gonna be pretty awesome. This is gonna be awesome. Alright, let's try this stuff. Oh, let's try this yuca. That sauce is amazing. It's like ranch sauce. Some of that pork. Pork piece. Very flavorful. Super flavorful. There's rice here. There's some beans in it. This boiled yuca. Oh, it's dripping. Looks interesting. Very starchy. I will go with this. Really solid. It'll get you full. Check it out. One more gander. And then this. It's a fatty piece. Now that's the stuff. Hit the mouth with some rice. The waiter caught me vlogging and eating. Some yuca. This stuff is delicious. These fatty pieces are really good. And honestly, I prefer the boiled yuca. I thought I would like the fried yuca better, but the boiled yuca is where it's at. Fried yuca, it's not cut up root. I feel like they mashed it down and they formed sticks and then they fried it. It's still really good though. It has a mushy, crispy exterior, but like mushy feel to it. Oh, the show is still this right here. Check out this fatty piece. All that fat. Oh, it's beautiful. They give a lot of pork. I just had a bunch of pieces too. They give a lot of pork with this order. And I didn't realize these onions right here. also got them right here. They got like a pickled vinegar taste to it. It really picks up the dish. It's like a vinegar taste to these onions that go really good with the meat. We got all the chocolate stuff right here. And all the fruit stuff right here. Ooh. And then this is another one. I got the stracciatella and passion fruit. So we found gelato. I got a stracciatella, and underneath there is passion fruit. And it's from this place called Mamamia, just around the corner. And it's super, super good. I'm sitting in front of this gym right here. I guess it's still open. I don't know. But this stuff is really good. The passion fruit is super sour. And then stracciatella is like classic. This neighborhood Brickell is pretty lively. A lot of people walking around, going to restaurants, going to bars. I love stracciatella. And the passion fruit actually is very, very, very tart, which is definitely delicious in my book. I would definitely come back here. Mamamia, I think South Miami Ave or something. I wonder if they got an affogato, because I'm definitely gonna go there tomorrow and get some more gelato. Guys, I wanted to show you the room during the day. I got a wider lens on, but yeah, it's very different during the day. Excuse all the mess. We've used things, but here is the view from the bathtub, which is pretty cool. It has like an ocean view, water view. And then we come out here. I opened all the curtains so we can see the views from each balcony. Like I said, this is the Bay King room. Cool chair. I was sitting there last night. It was really relaxing. Let's look at the view here. Beautiful. Very different from the evening. It's kind of warm right now. Awesome view. And then here's the chair when you turn the corner. This chair, I think I should flip it around because at night I was just staring at the window. But here's a view too. You can see way out there. I don't know what areas are out there, but this is Brickell. We're kind of like in the middle of everything. So it's a beautiful view in the evening. And the room has a good amount of sunlight. And yeah, this is the Bay King room during the day. And I just want to show you something here. Something about, I think there's a leak coming from the floor because it was bigger this morning and I let them know. It's not wet up there. And I think they came up to check it and then wiped it up and then it just came back. That puddle of water. So I think there's a leak coming from the floor and I think I need to report it to them again. But something I want to show you is instead of like white soft slippers, they give you these flip-flops. I don't know if these are free or not, but so look out at